Hey real estate and home improvement enthusiasts, today's home news reveals where fixer-uppers aren't a smart investment and what home decor to avoid when staging a home for sale. In real estate news, while the median cost of a fixer-upper is about 45% less than turnkey homes in the U.S. at $225,000, the cost of home improvement makes owners end up spending more in 50 cities, according to Porch.com. Here's why. For whole house renovations, the median cost is about $130 per square foot, according to the online remodeling calculator. An average fixer-upper can end up costing 15% more than a same-size turnkey home in the same city. In home decor news, real estate agents are telling Apartment Therapy that red is the worst color for interior walls. They also say not to mix appliance brands and to use a statement counter made of stone as an accent instead of a bold wall color. I'm Theresa with My Fix It Up Life, and you've just been served your home news quick fix.